it's time to be your own boss. We're now leasing brand new private salon suites designed for independent beauty professionals. Each suite is fully furnished and includes a shampoo chair, professional salon cabinetry with generous storage, low rental rates, and absolutely no hidden fees. We understand what beauty professionals are looking for, and we've created a supportive, professional environment that feels like family. All utilities and overhead expenses are included, so you can focus on growing your business. Bring and sell any products you choose, and keep 100% of your profits. Every suite comes equipped with the essential tools you need to launch with minimal startup costs. Plus, enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi for you and your clients. Available in Shaker Heights, Euclid, South Euclid, Cleveland, and Garfield Heights, with beautiful studios ready for you to customize and showcase your unique brand. Your business, your style, your success.